Welcome to my new series on solving lead code problems. Let me guess, you don't belong from CS background, or you belong to CS background, but due to a summer break, you totally forgot that computers exist, or you would have to do coding to get jobs. All your friends have got jobs in FANGs, and you are completely depressed. So, this is to help you brush up your skills in computer science, and I have solved this problem before. As you can see here, it shows solved. So I'm going to keep this video as short as possible, and let's get started. So this is a two-sum problem. Basically, they give you an array which is called nums and a target, and you have to return the two members, which by adding them gives you the target number. So normally, like if I you can do it in your head if you have just four members, right? So for first is 2 and 7. If you add them, it gives you 9. So that's why your output is 0 and 1. But you can do it by brute force, which is like running two loops and seeing like, okay, how would you uh, okay, so running this loop and passing through this array twice, and then getting the two answers. But we are going to choose the fastest way, and which is hash maps. So wait, don't run away, like don't close your PC and like cry. Hash maps is really easy to understand. Like you don't have to learn all the workings, like inside what is going on and everything. You just have to learn, like, okay, this is hash map, and how would I make the simplest hash map in the whole world, and that is enough to solve this problem. So hash map can be made by simply creating a dictionary. So we can create dictionary by using two curly brackets, and that's all. And you can add a key value pair by dict of key equals value, something like this. Okay, so in the key value pair, we are going to keep keys as these numbers and values as their respective indices. So at the keys 2, the value will be 0. At the key 7, the value will be 1. At the key 11, the value will be 2. Why aren't we doing it the other way around? Because we have to give indices as output. So we have to find indices and not the value pair values. So in hash map, it is easy to find the value through a key. So you can find the key through a value, but it is like it is more complex. So we should keep the values as indices so that it's easy to find the output itself. You can like try doing the other way around as well, and reach the same solution that I have, or you just take my word for it and do it this way. So I'm going to make a hash map called nums hash map equals to this, equals to dictionary. And now we need to fill this hash map with key value pairs, where I'm going to run a for loop. We have to run this loop till the length of the array, and we're going to fill this nums hash map of nums of I equals to I. So value is the index, and the key is nums of I. And now we'll run another loop. Instead of typing len of nums, let's just assign it a variable. Keep n over here, n over here. And now we are going to find a complement from the member. So 2 plus x equals to 9. So we're going to find x. So here x is the complement, equals to target minus nums of I. And if the complement exists in hash map, and the hash map of complement is not equal to I. So if we only have one member, for example 2 in this array, and the target is 4, so it should give an empty array as an answer. Why? Because there is only one member in the array. But if it's 2 and 2, then it should give 0 and 1, because 2 plus 2 will be 4. So we're making sure that the number is not getting added to itself. So 2 plus 2 is 4, but then there's only one member. So we need two distinct members, okay? And these two guys, like two indices, should not be same. So it shouldn't go 0 and 0. So here we're making sure of that. And if this condition satisfied, we're going to return I, the first index, and the hash map of complement. Else it should just keep walking, continue. Let's run this and see. We haven't, hopefully. Okay, good. So it got accepted and the runtime is 47 millisecond. So what if the interviewer asks you to improve this code so that you don't have to run two separate loops, right? So you'd probably get scared or something, but you don't need to be scared. It is easy. You just pick this up from here and place it over here, and this becomes null. Okay, so this code ran for 47 milliseconds. Let's see how much time does the improved code take. We run it. It's 42 milliseconds. It's not like a huge improvement, but I guess 47 to 42 is an improvement, I guess. And you just running the loop once. You could get rid of the else statement. Let's see how much of a difference that makes. Speed up! 34 milliseconds, yay! So I just removed the else statement. So no matter what the complement is, if the complement is there, even then the hash map will be made. So congratulations, you have passed the first test, and we are going to go to next problem.